Hello everyone, welcome to the end part of the Python tutorial in Learning Star channel. Alright folks, we have reached the end of our beginners Python course here on the Learning Star channel. This is the final lesson. So far we have covered the basic and easier parts of programming. From here on out, things will start to get more challenging and you will need to practice more. If you haven't mastered this course yet, please don't move on the next one. All the concepts we'll learn in the next course require the fundamentals from this one as a foundation. Starting tomorrow, we'll begin our intermediate Python course. The next course will focus on three essential concepts. Dictionary, functions, and classes, along with object-oriented programming. Okay, by the end of the course, I will try to introduce you to a few simple projects. If you like a project, you can tell me in the comments and I will bring it to the course. Afterwards, once you have practiced these topics, we will on to the using libraries and the codes written by others to learn how to create crawlers and scrapers, as well as neural networks and artificial intelligence. We will dive deeper into libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, or scikit-learn, and we will learn how to use Git and GitHub. If you have any question before our first class tomorrow, please ask them in the comments and we'll answer them. We will officially start the intermediate Python course tomorrow, which will involve writing several projects. If you have any projects in mind, please suggest them in the comments and we will work on them. Please subscribe to our channel and like the videos. It makes me a lot more happy and appreciate my efforts. Thank you very much. If you have any question or any problem, I will be happy to answer them. I really enjoyed this course and waiting for the part 2. Have a good day.